Hello everyone and welcome back to Be Successful, your favorite YouTube channel. Whether you're new to the ecosystem and don't know how to use xPortal, or you're older but haven't used this super app for a long time, since it was still called MyRWallet, let's answer all your questions together in just a few minutes. I'll give you a short presentation tutorial of xPortal. This super application contains both a wallet for cryptocurrencies and a bank card, a social network, but it's also a portal to many other exchanges and applications. If you ask me, it's probably one of the most competitive crypto wallets and perhaps among the most useful applications you can have on your phone. On the home page, we have the following buttons. The last button on the top right leads to the social network integrated in xPortal, where you can of course follow your friends or chat with them. Also on the top right, the button in the middle, is of course the bell with notifications. The third button from the top right is obviously the one that allows you to scan a QR code to make a payment much faster or to connect to an external platform. In the left half of the top, you can find your profile picture and all your account settings that you can easily change from here. Below these are 6 important buttons arranged in a line from left to right as follows. The first is the wallet, which is actually the home page. The second button, Track, allows you to make a list of your favorite cryptocurrencies and track them. The third button, the Swap button, allows you, as the name suggests, to quickly exchange one cryptocurrency for another. Then follows the NFTs button, which obviously opens up a wonderful NFTs market. The next section is the Gifts section, which allows you to make a wonderful surprise for your loved ones just 2 clicks away. And the last, Insider section, consists of the MultiversX blog and news from the crypto world. Immediately below these, in the foreground, is your main wallet, which gives you a vision of the cryptocurrencies you currently own. If you click on the wallet, it opens and shows you more details about the number of eGold available in the wallet, the number of eGold at stake, as well as the number of eGold accumulated from rewards. Under the main wallet, we have 4 large buttons as follows from left to right. The Send button, which will obviously help you send cryptocurrencies. The Receive button, which generates a QR code to easily receive cryptocurrencies, but it also displays the wallet address where you can receive funds. Here you can also generate a personalized QR code for each transaction, which contains the amount and details of the transfer, in which the person sending you money can scan and complete this transaction without the need for him to complete these details, just to check and accept. The next button is the Buy button, which, as the name suggests, helps you buy eGold from fiat. And the last button is the Magic button, which guides you to put your eGold tokens to work and obviously generate a passive income. How other than through stake, of course. Under these 4 buttons, there are 4 others, which are as follows. We have again the Chat with Friends, a quest area with prizes, of course the news area, and last but not least, the portal to all the other applications and exchanges that you can find by pressing the Explore button. Below, you will find a detailed situation of your portfolio, which shows you what and how many coins you have in your portfolio, their price, and the evolution of the price. Under this crypto portfolio, of course, you have your NFTs portfolio, and if you scroll further down, you will find the account activity, i.e. a list of all the transactions you've made. At the bottom of the home page, you have 5 other buttons that divide the application into 5 large areas. The first button takes you to the crypto part. The second takes you to your card account, where you can see the history of purchases, the card balances, the cashback obtained so far, the chosen plan. For now, only the free version is available. And from here, you can top up your card with Euro, using another card, or directly from your wallet by converting eGold to Euro. The button in the middle opens some important shortcuts for the most useful buttons that we have already presented, plus the option to connect to external applications. Then you have a Play button, and the last button, the one on the right, is actually the same portal we talked about before, which takes you to all the other applications and exchanges. If you like and find such videos useful, don't forget to press that like button. It helps us a lot. Tell us in the comments what other topics you would like us to discuss here, and don't forget to share our videos with your friends. Until next time, remember to be successful.